What's the meaning of blacksmith? Blacksmith. Blacksmith.
Blacksmith. Blacksmith. A blacksmith is a skilled craftsman who works with iron and other metals, using techniques such as forging, welding, and heat treating to create a wide range of products such as tools, weapons, and decorative items. Blacksmiths have been an important part of human history for thousands of years, playing a key role in the development of civilization by producing essential items for agriculture, transportation, and warfare. Today, while industrial technology has largely replaced traditional blacksmithing methods, there are still many skilled practitioners who keep this ancient craft alive as a form of art and cultural heritage.